Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have three ingredients in front of us, which are rosemary. This one here right here is rosemary, the next one is the ashwagandha, and the other one that is like pond like is shikakai. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but in Tamil it can also be called shakai. So here is the ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is one of the major Ayurvedic herbs which has proven to have aided hair growth and also prevented alopecia. And here is the shikakai. It is also a native herb that is amongst the Ayurvedic component. And we'll be combining the three together in today's infusion. To measure them out, I used 1 to 2 spoons of rosemary leaves and some sticks of ashwagandha. Now, this ashwagandha can also come in powdered form in case if that is what you got in the market, and then some pounds of shikakai. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this herbs because I always wash my herbs before I infuse them in the water. After washing them, I'm just going to go ahead and transfer them into my pan as I use 300 ml of water. That's what I'll be adding 3 ml of water. But of course, you know that after boiling it, the water that is going to remain is going to be less because of the whole condensation. Then I go on to add some leaves of lavender. Now this is for the smell, so as to make it smell good, and also the feel that it has. It is totally optional. So after letting it boil for like 5 minutes on the open fire, I'm going to let it cool off, and then the next thing is to strain it. To strain it, that is when it must have cooled off. After straining, this is the amount of water that I have remaining. Now, this water is what I'm going to be using to moisturize my old twist. I've had my twist for like a week now and I haven't moisturized it. So I go on to moisturize, and of course, remember we always work in sections. Now, as I'm working on my hair, I'm going to be explaining some of the benefits of this herb combined, as most of them have similar attributes to the hair. Rosemary is known to be a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which are thought to help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. It is because of the natural properties found in rosemary water that can boost hair growth by inhibiting hormonal changes that lead to hair loss, improve circulation of the hair follicles, and also act as an antioxidant to decrease inflammation on the scalp, all of which improve scalp health and also hair strength. Rosemary are also known to be beneficial for androgenic alopecia, also known as pattern baldness. It is also known to reduce hair loss and also hair thinning. It relaxes the muscles in the scalp, allowing better blood flow to the hair follicles. Ashwagandha is used to treat hair loss also. Ashwagandha is rich in antioxidants which help prevent damages caused by radicals. It nourishes the scalp and improves blood circulation as it contains nutrients such as iron, protein, vitamin C, trigonosis, and potassium, which are all essential for hair growth. Ashwagandha helps to deliver these nutrients to your hair follicles by dilating the blood vessels that in turn improves blood circulation. Also, ashwagandha helps to subdue scalp irritation like dandruff, eczema, and scalp psoriasis as it contains anti-inflammatory properties. Lastly, for the shikaki for hundreds of years has been used in India for hair treatment. The shikaki tree's pond, leaves, and barks are high in vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. It can all be used in the shampoo. It can also be used in the hair oil or even as a hair mask to nourish and speed up the growth of the hair. It aids to eradicate lice, dandruff, and prevent dry scalp. Like I told you earlier, most of these ingredients have similar qualities and attributes for your hair health, as they three are rich in antioxidant properties, which is one of the ways we can prevent our scalp or our hair strength from diminishing. After using the moisturizer, my hair, I'll go on to use my hair oil, which is from Daphne Hair Care. This oil has actually been wonderful to my hair as it contains a lot of Ayurveda herbs that attributes to hair growth. So if you want to purchase this hair oil, you can go as well to check them out on IG at Daphne Hair Care. And that's it for this video, guys. If you know anyone that has issues with hair loss or is battling dandruff and scalp psoriasis, go ahead and share this video with them as they can benefit a whole lot from this video. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and have a very blessed week. Okay, bye.